After a Windows update, many users discover their second monitor is no longer displaying. This frustrating issue affects approximately 35% of Windows 11 users, particularly following major updates like the recent Windows 11 24H2 release. This issue typically stems from three main causes: display driver incompatibility when Windows updates conflict with graphics drivers, power management setting changes that affect display output, or registry corruption during the update process. The first and quickest solution is to use the Windows key plus P shortcut. This opens the project menu where you can select Extend or Duplicate mode. After making your selection, wait 15 seconds for Windows to detect and configure your second monitor. If the Windows key plus P method doesn't work, try accessing Display Settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. In the Settings window, click the Detect button multiple times. If your monitor still isn't recognized, you can manually add the display using the available options. When successful, you'll see both monitors properly configured in your display settings, like this example showing monitors 1 and 2 arranged side by side. These quick troubleshooting steps resolve the missing second monitor issue immediately for most users experiencing display problems after Windows updates. When quick fixes fail to restore your second monitor, advanced troubleshooting techniques targeting drivers and system configuration become necessary. These methods address deeper compatibility issues that often arise after Windows updates. The most effective solution is a clean graphics driver reinstallation using Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU. This specialized tool completely removes all traces of existing graphics drivers, eliminating conflicts that standard uninstallers often miss. After DDU removes the old drivers, download the latest graphics drivers directly from your manufacturer's website. Install these drivers in compatibility mode if you encounter issues, as this can resolve conflicts with newer Windows versions. If the new drivers don't resolve the issue, you can roll back to the previous working version through Device Manager. This is particularly useful when recent driver updates introduce compatibility problems with your specific hardware configuration. For advanced users, resetting display configurations through the Windows registry can resolve persistent issues. This method clears corrupted display settings that may prevent proper monitor detection after system updates. Power management settings can interfere with display detection. Disable USB selective suspend and display power management through Windows Power Options or registry modifications to ensure consistent monitor connectivity. Finally, eliminate hardware issues by testing with certified high-quality cables like HDMI 2.1 or DisplayPort 1.4 and above. Try different ports on your graphics card, as individual ports can fail while others remain functional. These advanced troubleshooting methods resolve the majority of persistent second monitor issues. Work through each step systematically, starting with driver reinstallation and progressing to registry modifications only if necessary. Most display problems stem from driver conflicts that clean reinstallation effectively addresses.